Welcome, my friends, to my cooking channel. This is Cuisinese with Chef Jacqueline. This is where you can learn to make dynamic meals using simplistic ingredients. I will introduce you to world fusion cuisines using a palette with foods from cultures such as Jamaican cuisine, English, Chinese, Italian, French, and so much more. I will guide you into creating your own personal cuisine or weight loss or just healthy eating, immune building lifestyle. You can even book one-on-one sessions with me. Visit cuisinese.co.uk. So let's get started. Something new, something different, something exciting is coming your way today. Enjoy. Today, we'll be doing one of your favorites, curried shrimp. And so we need to start off with deveining the shrimp. We have to clean the little intestines and the excretory material from the shrimp. So we're just going to make a sharp incision in the back of the shrimp, and we're going to just clean out what's there. All right. Also need to get it out of this part of it too. First, we're going to wash them all when we're finished. Wash them all when we're done. There we go. That's the excretory material of the shrimp. And so I have quite a bit of it to do before I get into doing the curried shrimp. This is such an easy dish. It's about 5 minutes prep time and about 6 minutes the maximum, 5 minutes the maximum to get this to be cooked. So in 10 minutes you can have a ready meal. So I'm going to continue deveining shrimp, and in the next clip I'll be putting the spices to the shrimp to flavor it even now. So remember, we always marinate the meat or seafood or fish, whatever it may be, so that it can get a bit of flavor to it. All right. So we're going to be adding some aromatics. We have here just half a teaspoon of salt. As I said to you, it's better to add less and add more a little later on. I think it might take a full teaspoon, but let's try it with a half teaspoon. All right. And I have here the same amount of black pepper. I use one brand of curry powder, Better Pack curry powder. I've used it for 30 years. This is 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and also half teaspoon of garam masala. Masala is a mix that they use in authentic Indian curries, which is a mix of cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, nutmeg, quite a few other ingredients. I can't remember, cumin, can't remember all of them right now. But garam masala I always use in my curries. All right, there we go. And then I have here 2 teaspoons of garlic. This is about a pound of shrimp. They call it king prawn in England. I need to know what the difference is, right? But these are just shrimp. We call it shrimp in Jamaica, but over here they call them king prawn. And then I have the last ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of ginger, because I like to put ginger, a bit of ginger in my curries. All right, and we're just going to mix that up. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. and we leave that for a few hours or minutes in the marinade. Ready to do our curried shrimp. I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of rice bran oil, a little bit of butter, and then the shrimp. Now the shrimp doesn't have a lot of cooking time. I think it would be about 6 minutes maximum. So now we want to add some ready-made chicken stock. Bit of onion. Bit more liquid. Looking good, really good. Cleaning up as we go along. And we're going to be adding these bad boys. Peppers. Do a taste test now. A little bit more salt. It's really hot. Onions are a little bit too crispy. The shrimp king prawn, they call it over here. We're just going to thicken with a bit of cornstarch. And voila, there goes curried shrimp, curried king prawn. Enjoy.